Hello everyone, this is our project Space Exploration Robo. We have designed this project to enhance the experience of space exploration. Compatible with most Arduino UNO boards and motor driver, ultrasonic sensor to sense distance from any obstacle, just like the blind man could remotely locate his stick. Space robots is that they need neither food nor drink and can support very inhospitable conditions. Most important still, although expensive to design and produce, their loss is always preferable to that of an astronaut. For attaching the Arduino boards and motor drivers, we have used soldering iron and other technical devices such as solar panels. The most advantageous opportunity is almost zero gravity in outer space. This means that everything weighs much less than on Earth and even the heaviest object can be moved and raised with little effort. So a small robot can move huge objects.
We have prepared the sketch of this project, downloaded different libraries such as Adafruits, NewPinks and etc. Finally compiled it and uploaded. It's simple but not too simple. So-called sketches are actually C and C++ code, and you need some real programming skills for some real job. And finally, it's ready for testing.
We have tested it on different terrains such as corridors, roads, galleries, etc. Testing it outdoors on actual parameters was a tough job, but our robot proved that it can work on all soil textures.
Space radiations are deadly and can cause dangerous side effects such as possibly cataract and skin cancers. So instead of endangering our astronaut's life, we can send a mass unit of this robot which could easily click pictures and collect data from remote areas and harsh conditions of the outer space.
The inspiration to make it was driven by our curiosity to explore space and our desire to resolve the various issues related to it.
Thank you everyone for being connected with us virtually, and we are the team of APS Jodhpur.